Law enforcement officials in North Iowa say they have made great progress in battling drug crimes in recent years, but it appears their jobs will get a little harder. ABC 6 News reporter John Decott explains why a lack of funding could mean fewer drug dealers behind bars.
Since 1991, the North Central Iowa Narcotics Task Force has racked up over 6,000 arrests and seized more than 4,400 pounds of marijuana, disrupting or eliminating 17 major drug distribution networks. But funding for the program has dwindled, and this year officials expect to see a 42% reduction from what they received last year.
We know that when we go down to that, obviously we're going to take a drastic hit, and then the people that are really going to win are going to be the drug dealers of North Iowa, not necessarily the good citizens.
Sheriff Kevin Powles is the task force chairman, and he said while the program has been extremely successful in getting drugs off the street, there soon could be only enough money to fund one officer for the entire 9-county area.
Maybe not try to take on the big kingpins, because those cases to make a conspiracy case on those people that are moving the pounds and pounds are going to take more man-hours to solve and to get them indicted into federal court.
Sheriff Powell said the loss of funding is especially disappointing because of the impact drugs have on crime rates overall.
We know that drugs are also tied to burglaries and thefts and assaults, and we know that if we can try to do some work against drugs, that we're also going to reduce some of those crimes too that affect a lot of citizens.
Funding for the task force comes from a grant program with the budget set at both the state and federal level. Officials with the Southeastern Minnesota Drug Task Force say they do not expect to see a reduction in funding because of a high level of drug activity in the region. In Austin, John Decott, ABC 6 News.